Alrighty guys, take two. The mic I just bought ruined the video. So this is my DIY awning I made. Supplies costed roughly 85-ish bucks. You can get everything at Home Depot. I got the tarp at Harbor Freight. It's a heavy duty tarp, 8x10. Yeah, let's go take a look at it. Okay, so the poles, the supports I use on the end are painter poles, the ones that you can extend. So they go from 4 foot to 8 foot. And then I use the actual paint rolls. So I cut the roller off the end, and then you just screw it on. Boom, you got a mounting point for the end of the awning. Same thing with the other side. I got the bungees, the one that goes to 2, and then I got two hitched points on the ground or whatever on both sides. And then for the rolling mechanism I made, conduit pipe. You can get all this stuff from Home Depot. Conduit pipe, and then you got the mount. Everything's in the same aisle, at least the Home Depot I went to. And then I use these. These are used so you can attach pipes to other pipes, but I put them on the end, tightened them down so the pipe wouldn't slide back and forth, kept the pipe in place. Then the end, I use a plastic cap with that plastic sealant you buy for piping. And then I used heavy duty zip ties temporarily, but on the ends and the center one I had the metal clamps. Eventually gonna do that all the way across. But yeah, man, I mean, it holds up really well. Same thing on this end. And then I got like a T right here, where I can put a pipe in and kind of roll it up. But I usually just do it by hand. But yeah, man, it's not bad at 8x10, not bad at all. Not bad. I mean, shoot, even if you spend only $100, that's still cheaper than any awning, But yeah, that's it, man. It holds up well in the wind. I haven't been in 30 plus with it yet, so, which I don't plan on doing that. I don't see the point in having a awning up 30 plus mile an hour wind. That don't make no sense to me anyways, especially if you're gonna actually spend money on one. But yeah, man, that is it. That is it. I love it, especially when I'm in the desert or like the salt flats during the summer. Yeah, it's gonna come in handy for sure. I'm sure give you some shade, big boy. Or when I go to Moab, I love going to Moab. It gets hot. It gets hot in the summer, huh, big boy? Yeah, man, that's it. I'm gonna set up my tent probably over here. Start cooking. I'm hungry, so I brought some. Probably make some mac and cheese, huh, fatty? Oh, big boy. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. It's a little fatty. Yeah, man, this is it. This is the spot. There was another spot over there, but I didn't want to scratch the crap out of my truck, so I came over here. A little bit easier to get to. It's kind of at a decline, but make it work. But yeah, man, that is it.